Praise my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. India is my life. The soul of India is my heart servant. The good of India is my good. I place that in all my thoughts and deeds. The safety, the honor, and the welfare of my country. Shall go first, always, and every time. Jai Hind.
Stop learning because life never stops teaching. Enjoy and have a nice day.
Good morning to everyone, respected teachers and my dear brothers and sisters. My name is Sudhir Pagwale and I'm from class 12 Humanities. I'm here to deliver the morning news. Program news headlines are as follows. International news. Indian origin economist Thurman Mugaratna sworn in as the 9th president of Singapore. National news. 2 high-ranked army officers killed in gunfight with terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir. Local news. Election fever grips Likam constituency. Hundreds of people joined Likha Soni camp during Burjala meeting. Thank you and have a nice day.
Most respected our Vice Principal Sir, respected teachers, and all my dear younger brothers and sisters. My name is Namsai and I work class 12 Humanities, and today is my turn to ask myself GK questions. So my first question is, which state is the oldest producer of oil? I repeat my question. Which state is the oldest producer of oil? Yes, Assam is the correct answer. And the second question is, how many high courts are there in India? I repeat my question. How many high courts are there in India? Yes, 25 is the correct answer. And the last question. Where does sun rises first in Arunachal Pradesh? I repeat my question. Where does sun rises first in Arunachal Pradesh? Don't is the correct answer. Thank you.
Once again, good morning. Today is the 15th of the month. Therefore, again, I would rather appeal my dear students, especially the boys' side, to wear the local traditional dress in the next, that is October 15. So it's so nice to see the girls' side. The 90% of the girls students are coming with local dress. This is what the objectives of the government of India, local for locals. That is how we should preserve our traditional culture and dress. This is the important.